Hi there, Paul Sorensen speaking. I believe that you are here because you just typed in, how can I promote my business for free? Having facilitated more than 500 business networking group meetings, then I believe I have some kind of experience. So business networking groups meet early in the morning, like 7 or 8 o'clock at a restaurant or a hotel, and network. The purpose is just networking. It is not selling something to the others, it is helping others. So if you come there as a giver, people will immediately start to like your attitude. So it is not about selling to the other people or them buying from you, but it is when other people open their network for you. Imagine if you are 30 people there and 30 people who open their network, you get access to thousands of people. Well, this has worked very well for me. However, I recently learned that doing internet marketing, you can do that for free too. You can do video marketing, Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing. You can do that for free. I came across a group of 6 and 7 figure earners and now work together with them. And I can do this from the comfort of my own home. And if you in any way are interested in learning more about this, then feel free to click the big button below